Imagine a world where your laptop's battery lasts even longer. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, Microsoft just unleashed a game changer with their new feature in Windows 11 called Energy Saver. This feature is designed to be super smart, using less energy and tweaking some system settings to extend your laptop's battery life. Energy Saver option is in the Quick Settings menu, allowing you to set it to turn on automatically when your battery hits a certain level. Convenience at its best. But wait, it's for more than just laptops. Even if your computer is plugged in, like those cool desktop setups, you can still use Energy Saver to save energy and lower your electricity bill. Microsoft's experts, Amanda Langowski and Brandon LeBlanc, emphasize how easy it is to keep your battery going strong while still getting your work done. If you're not part of the Insider program, no worries. There's already a built-in battery saver feature. Just toggle it on, and it temporarily stops power-hungry activities like automatic emails and updates so your battery can last longer. Want to be a battery-saving pro? Head over to Start Greater Than Settings Greater Than System Greater Than Power and Battery. There, you can configure Energy Saver to activate automatically at a specific battery level. In addition to Energy Saver, Microsoft is enhancing Windows 11 with more features, like bringing the Copilot AI assistant to Windows 10. They're truly enhancing the user experience with these innovations. So whether you're on the go or using your desktop, Microsoft's Energy Saver is here to revolutionize your device's battery life. Dive into the world of endless possibilities with Energy Saver in Windows 11. Your battery will thank you. If you want to stay ahead with the latest tech updates, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. We're here to make your tech life easier and more awesome. Until next time, stay charged, stay subscribed, and keep rocking the Windows experience.